Pranam. This is our fourth episode of this series called Swamiji on the Buddha, and this today's topic is Defiance against Tyrannical Brahminism. Now I must make it very clear that this is what Swamiji said in his address in Shakespeare Club, which I have referred, and this will be referred in this publication by Ramakrishna Mission, Buddhistic India, in page number 529. Here I will also refer Professor Ashok Mitra, ICS. Let me start what he really said. Professor Mitra, in his preface to the Tribes and Castes of Bengal, 1951, precisely chronicles the rise and fall of excellence in Indian society. He correlates the rise with the ascendancy of Buddhism and the fall with the dominance of Brahminism. Let me repeat. He correlates the rise with the ascendancy of Buddhism and the fall with the dominance of Brahminism. He maintained the same stand when he spoke on the occasion of Babashaeb's centenary celebration organized by the government of West Bengal and Dr. Bhupendranath Dutta Memorial Lecture delivered by him in 1994 at the Asiatic Society. Quote, "Few people must have known better than Nehru how Varnashram and Brahmanical dominance slowly crippled India down the edges." Look at the sentence. Let me repeat. Few people must have known better than Nehru how Varnashram and Brahmanical dominance slowly crippled India down the edges. After all, this is what is implicit in a letter I have just referred to. He knew how India's vitality was at a high level precisely for this reason when Buddhism made its tremendous sweep by doing away social and caste barriers, restoring confidence and dignity among the lowest of the low, ushering in social equity and equality of opportunity. Let me repeat the last two words. Social equity and equality of opportunity. Nowhere was this equality of opportunity and redemption of the lowest of the low better demonstrated than in the canonization of the 84 Siddhas in Buddhist literature. Unquote. Quote, Nehru knew how Brahmanical resurgence after Buddhism restored social inequality and Varnashram plunged India into social and political fragmentation. Unquote. Let me repeat. Quote, Nehru knew how Brahmanical resurgence after Buddhism restored social inequality and Varnashram plunged India into social and political fragmentation. Now I will refer the Swamiji. The Buddha defied the irrational dictates of the Brahmins. Quote from Swamiji, quote, and never that man bent before even the power of the tyrannical Brahmins. Never that man bent. Unquote. Let me repeat what Swamiji said. And never that man bent before even the power of the tyrannical Brahmins. Never that man bent. Pranam.